My name is Rocky Candola. I'm CEO and founder of Maiden India. Maiden India began as an idea in Himachal Pradesh, India. It's basically a mountain region there. A lot of people go there to do yoga, spiritual retreats, relaxation, very beautiful area. While my wife and I were in this area, we kind of were discussing things, and we happened to come up on a guru. We spoke with him for a while, and he kind of pointed us in this direction for no real reason at all. And we dove headfirst into it. 95% of all the human hair on the market starts in India. From there, people from Cambodia, from Peru, from Malaysia, from China come, take hair from a low quality from our temples or from our barbershops on the ground and heavily process them. I'm concentrating on the raw source. I want to make sure before anybody thinks of doing a style or a color that they have a proper raw product that they can manipulate and do that with. And without me, they won't be able to do that. In this industry, there's so much misinformation, there's so much misdirection with Asian markets such as Korea and China coming in with processed synthetic hairs. They actually get the hair from our temples in India and then process it. What we provide is a transparent business model showing you exactly where this hair is coming from, exactly what we are doing with it, and giving it to you in 100% raw state. That raw state allows our clients, our businesses, to in turn manipulate it how they want to color and style the hair as they please. And that's what people are looking for. They want to have that longevity out of their hair, especially if your retail client pays $1,000 plus for a piece. They don't want to come back and have a bad hair day anytime soon. And that's what we're here to ensure. Here at the Los Angeles showroom, we do retail here simply to cater to the huge number of stylists and women in the area that are doing shows with Hollywood, etc. We're directly across the street from the Convention Center and Staples Center as well, which is why we added the addition of our salon chairs. So girls can come in and get a consult for their wigs as well as get the full wig install or a hot oil treatment, or just pick out a couple bundles that they want to wear and take to their own stylist and do. My name is Rocky Singh Candola. I'm the CEO and founder of Maiden India, where I take the trip to India 2 to 3 times each year to ensure the quality in all of our hair extensions. This industry is so diluted with misinformation that businessmen and women are required these days to double check their quality and their vendors. I invite you to check out my website, check out our social media, and come visit us at Maiden India so you don't have to take those risks.